Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Sarah Mather. The JSE strengthened by 0.6% to 28,716 points. We spoke to Peter Attard-Montalto from Nomura International, looking at PPI numbers out today.
I think of particular interest, though, is the level of imported inflation, which is climbing quite a bit faster than that rate, despite the strong rand. I think that poses some small risk to CPI at this point. Obviously, one shouldn't read too much across from PPI to CPI. But in general, I think on the business side, inflation pressures shouldn't be too carried away. We obviously, as you said, do have some favourable base effects that they're adding on to PPI at the moment. But overall, I don't think that the market is overly concerned by the PPI numbers.
The Nigerian market ended in the green, up 0.7% at 25,789 points. We spoke to Tom Ajayi from Stanbic IBTC Bank, looking at the day's trade.
There was increased volume on the market today. Banks like First Bank, Guarantee Trust Bank increased in volumes. We saw huge volumes as well in Nigerian BOEs, and these ultimately led the market to go up slightly. Even though it was slightly, the market closed at 27,789.53 points, slightly higher than yesterday's close. This is a huge turnaround, considering that over the past couple of days the market has been going down, probably partly as a result of profit takers coming into taking profit from, and then also the poor results that were released by the banks.
The NSE 20 ended the day at 4,270 points, down nearly 0.25%. We spoke to Alistair Gould from Standard Investment Bank, looking at the apparent market correction.
It's true, there is a slight correction on the market. This started yesterday with a decline of 9 points on the market. Today we've lost another 10. We could see a similar drop tomorrow. A lot of investors are really taking a wait-and-see approach to the market. There's been a substantial increase in the past few weeks, so there's been mild selling, as a lot of investors wait and see what will be the Q1 results, but also take into account the oncoming referendum.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.